Okay guys, here we go. Day 2 here. The boss doing the layout. I'm doing the install. Here we've now worked around the door using this as a butt pad, knee pad, knee pad for my delicate butt. But it's flowing pretty good now. We're rapidly laying down the field here. And we're using the scrap for small end pieces. So I'm trying to flow the material a little bit, so some of the pattern, trying to be a little careful picking out pieces so we got a good blend here. No issues, huh, boss? Flowing pretty good today. This cutter is just not even sharp though. That's the basic problem. I mean, it's for residential use, so they're not going to sharpen that up. But they imagine all kinds of bad shit happens at people's houses when they get pissed off or something. Pull out the Roberts and go for it. So it takes a lot. A lot of fighting. I'm gonna try to keep this end pressed down. It's not the best alignment in the world, this back piece here. Takes a lot of pressure. It's more like a press cut than an actual sharp cut. That's the way we do it. All right, on to the next row. All right. Looking pretty good flowing. Our measurements are staying true here. And we've now negotiated the bathroom door there. So it should be just a straight run to the end. And when you're using unskilled labor, stuff happens. I'll tell you, how many nerve endings are in fingers? A lot. That was a full-on, full-force hit right there. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, baby. Resting up on a break for a minute, boss. We're almost there. We got the last strip to go, and it's looking awful good. Floor here, so this is where all the accuracy kind of pays off. You know, a 16th, not bad. A quarter even, because we got molding quarter round to go around here. So it's a little warm. It's looking good. You happy? Yeah. Got the whole crew working today, huh? Real progress here. So, all right. Got the whole crew in. Woo! Setting the final pieces in over here. Looking good. We're leaving an expansion gap in there. And then we're going to come along with the molding here. So we're doing the rip cuts here. For this. So. All right. Well, moving along. You missed a spot.
Missed a lot of spots.
Smile. We got the last piece in over there. Now we're going to go ahead and put the shear molding in there. Turned out real good. Still got a nice expansion gap in the back there. All right. Finished getting it all down. Now I'm working on the 3/4 round molding. Popping that in with a angle butt joint there. Looking pretty good. Welcome back, everybody. The boss is busy at work. He's got the working here, got the carpet pulled up, and now he and Janet are getting the staples. A little bit of bulwark here, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nobody gets a free ride around here, right? You have to cook and do everything else, right?
That's right.
All right. I approve. I'm in here working on cutting corner molding here, and this is not as easy as it looks to do these shoe molding at the end. I can't even piece it together right now properly, but I think you get the idea. I'll sit up. End caps, they call it end caps for molding. Working away, we got the all the trim molding set. Quarter round most of the room. Working into the night. Here's what a completed end cap looks like. It gives a finished edge on the end instead of the raw wood that you would have, because this is a probably a plasticized material here. But see, it gives a nice finished detail on that. It fits very well there. So in a future video, I'll show you. It's kind of complicated, but it requires a little bit of geometry and a little bit of working with the chop saw here and varying the angles on it. But I think the finished product looks really good. What do you think, boss?
That's what we want right there, just like that.
Makes the boss happy. So we'll let that dry there, and then we'll set it tomorrow.
A little more.
Don't mind the safety glasses, everybody, using the chop saw. Safety first. Just wrapping up day 2 here. Got everything pretty much finished out in this room, and it's looking good. I'll show you a couple of final details, and don't forget the thumbs up at the end of the video. Yeah, don't I look like a beautiful sight? Huh? Let's show you some of the end caps that were cut today and some of the other work that was done. You can see some of the detail there on forming the end caps, and it's a little complicated with the chop saw, so it does take a bit of experience. Got this one end cap down here, and it makes a nice finished detail. We haven't quite finished setting this last piece, but I'm letting that dry. That end cap is glued on with all the trim. Very handsome looking. And we have end caps over here on this end. And we've got another end cap over there. Not the simplest thing in the world to cut, but it's just a matter of technique. And out here, Boss and Dan and Janet did a good job of working this area and getting it all ready. So hopefully we'll be well into this area tomorrow. So pretty successful day. Day 1 here. Okay. The day of the quarter round end caps. Thanks everybody for watching, and thumbs up are appreciated.